Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, section standard 10th, video number 60, Introduction to Trigonometry, section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Given that 1 plus cot square theta equals to root of 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1, the whole raised to 4. Remember this, root is only for 3 plus 2 root 2. Then find 1 upon tan theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Here firstly, what is 1 plus cot square theta? That is cosec square theta. So cosec square theta equals to root of 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1 the whole raised to 4, right? See, these are the identities. 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta, tan square 1 plus tan square equals to sec square, sin square plus cos square equals to 1. So our problem becomes root 3 minus 2 root 2 the whole root minus 1 the whole raised to 4 and cosec square on the left side. Keep it as it is now. We'll solve only RHS now. See this, 3 convert this to 2 plus 1. Then it becomes what? 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 1. This can be written as root 2 square plus 2 root 2 into 1 plus 1 square, right? This one and 1 as it is. So what this becomes? A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b the whole square. Therefore it becomes root 2 plus 1 the whole square, right? Minus 1 the whole raised to 4. Okay, now solve this. Square and square root gone, so root 2 plus 1 minus 1 the whole raised to 4. Okay, so 1 minus 1 gone, so root 2 raised to 4 it should be. So cosec square theta equals to root 2 raised to 4, right? So cosec theta will be what? Root 2 raised to 2, right? Square root. So 4 square root is 2. So root 2 raised to 2. But what is root 2 raised to 2? That is 2. Therefore cosec theta equals to 2, right? But what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta, right? See these. Cosec theta equals to 1 upon sin theta, sec 1 upon cos, cot 1 upon tan. So to watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.